No excuses. The speech that will change your life forever. The wake-up call. You say you want success, freedom, peace, power. But the truth is, you don't really want it. Because if you did, you wouldn't sleep on your dreams. You wouldn't keep hitting snooze on your potential. You wouldn't wait for the right moment. You'd make the moment. Every single person wants the good life, but not everyone is willing to pay the price. And the price? No excuses. The lie we tell ourselves. Every time you say, I can't, you're lying to yourself. Every time you say, it's not the right time, you're building a prison, brick by brick. You don't even need a critic to destroy you. You're doing it every time you justify your own failure. The world doesn't owe you success. Nobody is going to hand you greatness. And if you're waiting for someone to believe in you, stop. You don't need their approval. You need your decision. Because at the end of the day, there are only two kinds of people. Those who make excuses and those who make results. Facing the mirror. When was the last time you looked in the mirror and said, this is my fault, and it's up to me to fix it? No one wants to say that. We blame the economy, our parents, our past, our pain. But the mirror doesn't lie. You see, every excuse you make feels like relief in the moment, but it's a chain that keeps you locked in mediocrity. While you're making excuses, someone else is making progress. While you're saying maybe tomorrow, someone's already winning today. Discipline over motivation. You don't need more motivation. You don't need another quote, another post, or another speech. What you need is discipline, the kind that doesn't care how you feel. It only cares that you show up. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you moving when motivation disappears. And trust me, it will disappear. But the question is, will you? When you train your mind to move without waiting for permission, you become unstoppable. The man who waited too long. There was once a man who had a dream to start his own business. He told everyone he was waiting for the right time. Years passed. Opportunities came and went. One day, he realized time had run out, and all that was left were excuses. He said, if only I'd started when it was hard. But that's the truth no one wants to hear. It's supposed to be hard. That's what makes it worth it. The pain of discipline is nothing compared to the pain of regret. The truth about comfort. Comfort is a slow death. It whispers you're fine. It tells you to take it easy. But what it's really saying is, stay the same. You weren't built to stay the same. You were built to evolve, to push, to rise. But you can't climb higher if you're carrying excuses. You say you don't have time, but you scroll for hours. You say you don't have money, but you spend on things that give you nothing back. You say you don't have support, but the truth is, you don't even support yourself. Stop running from the truth. Face it, own it, conquer it, taking control. From this day on, no more I can't. No more someday. No more maybe later. You're not waiting for opportunity. Your opportunity. You're not looking for motivation. You are the motivation. Every time you push through pain, you're rewriting your story. Every time you say no excuses, you're building your new reality. The world rewards the relentless. And if you stay consistent, it won't be luck that finds you. It'll be consequence. The consequence of your effort, your grind, your persistence. The challenge to you. So, here's the challenge. For the next 7 days, no excuses. Wake up early. Put in the work. Do what you said you would do, even when it hurts. Because if you can survive your excuses for just 1 week, you'll realize you never needed them in the first place. No more waiting for motivation. No more searching for validation. You are the hero of your own story. And the first chapter starts when you stop saying, I can't. The final push. Remember this. The distance between who you are and who you want to be is measured in excuses. Erase them. Replace them with action. Because the world doesn't remember those who said, I tried. It remembers those who said, I will. No more excuses. Get up. Move. Build. Your time is now.